In darkness I lingered mid doubt and despair, since bondage long held me a captive to care. But Jesus delivered my soul from its chains. His precious blood cleansed me from sin's guilty stains. The world and its pleasures did tempt me to stray. I saw not the danger that lurked on the way. The toils closed around me, I knew no release. But Jesus has found me and given me his peace. Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner, and get right with God.
Hello. So I'll just give you an update on my gardening journey. So let's take a look outside. Alright, so I'm going to get some raspberries right off the side of the garden. Plenty. You can make jam with them. And yeah, there's plenty out here. Alright, so as you can see, we have the basilic cushion, the avocado starting, and the lettuce. What we had started here was the radish and the spinach, and here's some of the kale starting to grow, the carrots there, and then we have over here the beets and the green onions. We have some more green onions here. That again. You're digging?
Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner,